Welcome to Backyard Plus. In this video, we show you how to test the circ pump, heater, jet pump, and spa light voltage in your Pre-1997 hot spring spa. Before we get started, let's go over the tools you will need. Tools you will need: Phillips head screwdriver and a multimeter. Step 1. Disconnect the control panel from the control box and remove the control box from the spa. Step 2. Turn the temperature and spa light controls clockwise to the maximum setting. Step 3. Tape a magnet to the equipment door sensor. Step 4. Turn the control box upside down, loosen the 4 screws, and remove the back cover. Step 5. Connect power to the control box. Step 6. Test the incoming voltage. Set your multimeter to at least 200 AC volts. Wait for the screen to read 0, then place one lead on the incoming black wire and the other lead on the incoming white wire. Your meter should read about 115 volts. If there's no voltage reading, make sure the breaker is on and you have a good battery in your multimeter. Step 7. Test the circulation pump voltage. Place one lead in the center of the receptacle and the other lead where the flat blade goes. Your meter should read about 115 volts. Step 8. Test the heater voltage. Place one lead in the center of the receptacle and the other lead where the flat blade goes. Your meter should read about 115 volts. Step 9. Test the jet pump voltage. Press the jets or cleanup cycle button on the front of the control box. Place one lead in the center of the receptacle and the other lead in the upper left hole. Your meter should read about 115 volts. Step 10. Test the spa light voltage. Place one lead in the black wire and the other lead on the white wire. Your meter should read about 115 volts. Good job! Thanks for watching. Our goal here at Backyard Plus is to save you money by avoiding costly service calls for repairs that you could easily do by yourself. If you have any questions or need to place an order, feel free to give us a call at 805-541-9000 or visit us online at backyardplus.com.